This is a video explaining how to make your single direction machine into a multi-direction. Basically the things that you will need would be a Phillips screwdriver and a straight slot screwdriver. The kit will come with this. It'll be pre-wired with your jumpers on it. It'll also come with a backstop and a slide assembly. First step into doing this is to move your e-stop over to here. After installing your e-stop and your clockwise counterclockwise, your box should look like this. We'll flip it over. When the switch comes pre-wired, this is the direction it should be in, with your red and black over here. Your normally closed contacts red, normally open contacts green. The red should be by the e-stop here. Your first step would be to remove your black wire and your red wire from here. These wires are going to go to this contact over here. After removing the red and black wire and installing it on the switch, your next step will be to take the two jumper wires, the longer one on the normally closed contact on the top here goes to this switch, which is your reverse. We'll go right into here. Your next step will be to take the jumper on the bottom of the normally closed here, and we'll come up into your 1, 2, 3 switch. And there you have it. That is how you install your clockwise counterclockwise switch. Thank you.